This is the Carpuride W903, and we're gonna unbox it together. So I'm gonna take all of this out here. This is the brand new display that you can see here. Looks like this. You can put it together there, and we're gonna check on how it's working in a little while. Let me just check here. This is how it looks like. There is a camera. So it looks like this. We're going to put this at the side and check what else is in the box. So we have several cables here. This one looks like this. This part here and something to put in on the other side. There is another one, so we're going to check on this in a minute. This one here is to adhere the display on the car dashboard. Here is another cable link. This one is something else to hold it in place with an adhesive bag. We have this here, which is this goes into your car. This is where the cable goes in, or this here, so you can see on this side here. On this side here, there are the slots where you can put an SD card in and the cables. Here is the manual, which is very important. Very good. So please hang on to this. Very, very important. Good. In English. Very good. And here we have another holder that can be adhered onto the dashboard of the car. Very good. Love it. Let's try and put this together and get the monitor running. So here on this side are the slots. I'm just using, just to show you, a simple USB cable that I'm going to attach here. You have all of the cables in the set that you need to put it into your car, and this is how it looks like. So the TF key, the TC card is loading, starting recording, which is there. Okay, so here is the menu, and we are in there. There's CarPlay that you can see, Android Auto, AirPlay, Android Cars, BT Music, Wi-Fi video. Very important to set everything up beforehand. Looks all like this, but we're not going to go into detail here. So we're going to go back to menu. There are the options too that we've just seen here. Here are the settings. And there is screensaver, left or right hand drive, split screen mode, brightness, and clear connection that you can see. There is the camera format, and reverse line calibration. So camera format, record resolution, segment duration, collision sensitivity, microphone, via mirror image, reverse line calibration. And there is the system. So you have language, tip sound, date and time, storage, info format. There is the factory reset, firmware version. So language is very important. For me, it's in English and Asian languages. Let's see if we can go up and down. Yes, very good. French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Russian, Spanish. Okay, that's enough for my liking. Really good. And that would be it. If I go back here, you can see everything again. Let's see, this here is the brightness that you can adjust easily. Yep, very easily touch screen. Love it. Really nice. And then we have the volume here that you can adjust. And this one here is the camera that you can see. Really love it. There you can lock it, unlock it. You can take a picture, taking photos. There you go back to the menu. Really good. So really nice. Love it. There we can record. And I want to go back. Which was there. So really good. I really like this touch screen. Easy to install. Holds greatly in my car. And I love it. I link it for you in my Amazon storefront.